recall the day when you came back home to Guam? You rode the snowman's horse that you brought from Vietnam. You said the wily snowman will never strap his saddle down upon your back. You said you couldn't get hooked if you only snorted smack. He's gonna bleed you dry, he's your sister's pimp, he's the pusher man. You've got to rid the island snowman from your life, little brother. What have you gone and done this time? How did the island snowman make you crawl upon your knees? How could you let him drain the life that used to burn within your eyes? Remember all the times when we laughed and we worked at home after sunrise. But now you always need to lie and you bow your soul in shame. Why can't you rid the island snowman from your life, little brother? Mom and Dad didn't get much sleep last night, little brother. What have you gone and done this time? Everyone stayed tuned for the Cable 6 news, since the DEA came down hard on you and you were busted. Now you pray so hard for the time machine, but the black robe judge holds the only key to the future. He's gonna put you away in the penitentiary. He's gonna put you away in the penitentiary. You have a chance to rid the snowman from your life, little brother. At the zenith of the third cold turkey night, you'll finally break the hold the snowman's had on you all this time. Your mother cried herself to sleep last night again.